Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Bazini Bomkosi, Lirato Ngumalo revealed that she is currently working at a particular store in Sweden as a packer, and people were shocked. Ukuthi, "Hayi bandla, how did she even end up working there?" Because Ulirato, we know her as an actress, Yana Mzansi, as well as our influencer. So her revealing that she was working there, it actually shocked people until Batsari Bomkosi, she revealed the amount of money she was able to make for the past 2 days of her working there, which is a shock indeed, Basadi Bomkosi, because she is just a packer. She's not doing anything else rather than packing the things that are needed on that particular shop. So Basadi Bomkosi, she revealed that she is making, or rather she made 20,000 rands for the past 2 days of her working there. Yebo, ningizwe kahle. 20,000 rands as a packer, a stall. And now Mzansi, they want to move that side. But agaba plug. Hayi bandla nina nisabi impela. But Bomkosi, Ulrata Ngumalo, last year she got engaged from her white man who stays in Sweden. So it looks like she moved there. We are not sure though, but it looks like that. And people are stating that hayi bandla singakhohlwa ukuthi phela usisi uqome indoda eme kahle ngale koMandela. So we might not even be shocked if we were to find out that that is her shop. So it can be that that is her shop actually, but Asaz, so we are choosing to believe the fact that she is working there as more of way of earning extra cash. That's what she said basically, that she was looking to earning extra cash and nothing more. And abantu bathi nabo bayafisa. And then she further stated that abantu abangagagameli kakhulu, because the standard of living that side, or the cost of living that side, it is too high. And if you are going to rely on that job as your permanent job, you might have issues along the way. Meaning that you need to have an extra job for you to actually maintain the standard, or the cost of living of that particular country. Haibo. And she further stated that the reason why she is working there now and also earning that amount of money, it is because abantu abaningi abafuni ukuyosebenza because it is summer. Which came to me as a major shock, because lana Mzansi bandla asinandaba whether it is summer or winter. Kepha umsebenzi uma ufikile thina siyawufuna umsebenzi. We do not have time to choose whether it is spring or autumn or winter or summer. When we want a job, we definitely want a job, which is indeed a serious cultural shock. Batsani Bomkosi, please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.